Have you ever gazed at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder? The vast expanse above us, dotted with countless stars, has always been a source of fascination and mystery. The stars have captivated humanity for centuries. Ancient civilizations built observatories and created intricate star maps to track the movements of celestial bodies. They hold ancient wisdom and whispers of our place in the cosmos. Constellations tell stories passed down through generations, connecting us to our ancestors. Natal astrology is a language that helps us understand these whispers. It deciphers the cosmic messages encoded in the stars at the moment of our birth. It's a personalized map of the heavens at the moment of your birth. This celestial map is unique to you, like a fingerprint of the universe. Imagine a cosmic snapshot taken the instant you took your first breath. This snapshot captures the positions of the planets and stars, creating a unique celestial blueprint. This snapshot captures the unique positions of the planets and stars. Each planet's placement holds significance, influencing different aspects of your life. It's your cosmic blueprint, your natal chart. This chart is a powerful tool for self-discovery and personal growth. This chart offers profound insights into your personality, strengths, and challenges. It reveals patterns and tendencies that shape your experiences. It reveals your soul's journey and the lessons you are here to learn. Understanding these lessons can guide you towards a more fulfilling life. Natal astrology isn't about predicting the future. It's about gaining a deeper understanding of yourself and your life's purpose. It's about understanding yourself on a deeper level. By exploring your natal chart, you can uncover hidden potentials and areas for growth. It's about recognizing your potential and navigating life's journey with greater awareness. This awareness can help you make more informed decisions and align with your true path. It's about embracing the unique song your soul came here to sing. Each of us has a distinct melody that contributes to the symphony of the universe. Astrology helps us see the interconnectedness of all things. It shows us how our lives are woven into the fabric of the cosmos. It reminds us that we are part of something larger than ourselves. This perspective can bring a sense of peace and belonging. By understanding our cosmic design, we can live more authentically and fulfill our potential. We can align our actions with our true nature. We can dance to the rhythm of our own unique cosmic music. Embracing our cosmic design allows us to live in harmony with the universe. Your natal chart is a circle divided into 12 sections, like slices of a cosmic pie. Each slice or section is unique and holds a special significance in the grand scheme of your life. These slices are called houses. Each house represents a different area of life, from your personal identity to your relationships, career, and even your subconscious mind. Think of them as rooms in your cosmic home. There's a house for your personality, a house for your relationships, a house for your career, and so on. Each room has its own unique decor and purpose, just like each house in your chart has its own specific focus and energy. Each house is also associated with a zodiac sign. You know those signs: Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and so on. These signs bring their own flavor and characteristics to the house they occupy. These signs add another layer of meaning to the houses. They describe the energy and style of that area of your life. For instance, a house influenced by Leo might be vibrant and expressive, while one under Virgo's influence could be more detail-oriented and analytical. For example, if your career house is in Capricorn, you might be ambitious and practical in your work. Capricorn's disciplined and goal-oriented nature would shape how you approach your professional life. The planets move through these houses and signs just like actors on a stage. Each planet represents a different aspect of your personality and life experiences, and their movement through the houses and signs tells a story about your life's journey. Their positions at your birth reveal your unique cosmic personality. It's like a snapshot of the sky at the moment you were born, capturing the energies that will influence you throughout your life. It's like your soul choosing a specific costume and role to play in this lifetime. Each element of your natal chart contributes to the character you portray and the story you live out. The sun, moon, and planets are the main players in your cosmic drama. They are the celestial bodies that influence your life in profound ways, each with its own unique role and significance. Each celestial body represents a different aspect of your being, shaping your personality, emotions, and experiences. The sun, your core identity, your willpower, your life force. It is the essence of who you are, the driving force behind your actions and decisions. It's the mask you show the world, the persona you project in your daily life. The moon, your emotions, your subconscious mind, your nurturing side. It's your inner world, the realm of your deepest feelings and instincts. Mercury, your communication style, your thinking patterns. It governs how you express yourself and process information. Venus, your love language, your values, your sense of beauty. It influences your relationships and what you find aesthetically pleasing. Mars, your energy, your drive, your assertiveness. It fuels your ambitions and your ability to take action. Jupiter, your luck, your expansion, your optimism. It represents growth, abundance, and the pursuit of knowledge. Saturn, your discipline, your boundaries, your karmic lessons. It teaches you responsibility and the importance of structure. Uranus, your originality, your rebellious streak, your need for change. It drives innovation and the desire to break free from tradition. Neptune, your intuition, your dreams, your spiritual connection. It is the gateway to your imagination and your connection to the divine. Pluto, your transformation, your power, your shadow self. It represents the cycles of death and rebirth, and the deep changes that shape your life. These planets interact with each other through aspects, which are angular relationships between them. These interactions create a dynamic and ever-changing cosmic landscape. Aspects can be harmonious or challenging, influencing how the energies of the planets blend and manifest in your life. They create the melodies and harmonies of your cosmic song, weaving together the different threads of your existence into a beautiful and complex symphony. Your natal chart reveals your soul's journey in this lifetime. It offers clues about your life purpose, karmic lessons, and unique talents. Life purpose. Look to the sign and house placement of your north node. This is a point in your chart that indicates your soul's evolutionary path. Karmic lessons. Saturn's placement in your chart reveals where you may face challenges and restrictions. These are opportunities for growth and mastery. Personal talents. The planets in your chart highlight your natural abilities and inclinations. For example, a strong Venus may indicate artistic talent. By understanding these aspects of your chart, you can gain a deeper understanding of your life's journey. You can align your actions with your soul's purpose and navigate challenges with greater awareness. Section 5. Astrology in Action, Guiding Your Path to Fulfillment. How can you use this cosmic knowledge in your everyday life? Natal astrology offers practical guidance in many areas. Your chart can reveal your natural spiritual inclinations and guide you towards practices that resonate with your soul. Understanding your strengths and weaknesses allows for greater self-acceptance and personal growth. Astrology can provide clarity and perspective when you're facing difficult choices. Remember, your natal chart is a roadmap, not a prison. You have free will and the power to make choices that shape your destiny. Astrology simply provides valuable insights to guide you on your journey. Section 6. The Dance of Relationships, Unveiling Compatibility and Growth. Astrology can illuminate the dynamics of your relationships. By comparing your natal chart with a partner's chart, you can gain insights into compatibility, how your energies blend together and the strengths and challenges you may encounter. Communication styles, how you can communicate more effectively with each other. Emotional needs, what each person needs to feel loved and supported. Astrology can help you cultivate more fulfilling and harmonious relationships by understanding the cosmic dance between you and loved ones. Section 7. Career Compass, Aligning Your Work with Your Cosmic Calling. Finding fulfilling work is a common desire. Your natal chart can provide valuable clues about your career path. Natural talents. The planets and their placements can reveal your skills and aptitudes. Career preferences. The house of career in your chart can indicate the fields of work that align with your soul's purpose. Work style. Your astrological makeup can shed light on your ideal work environment and how you prefer to approach tasks. By aligning your career choices with your cosmic blueprint, you can find greater satisfaction and purpose in your professional life. Section 8. Cosmic Reflections. Astrology is a mirror to the soul. Natal astrology is ultimately a tool for self-discovery. It's a mirror that reflects back to you the wisdom of your soul. By studying your chart, you can embrace your uniqueness, recognize and appreciate your strengths, talents, and quirks, understand your challenges, gain insights into recurring patterns and learn how to navigate them with grace, connect with your soul, deepen your relationship with your inner self, and discover your true purpose. Astrology helps you see yourself more clearly, both the light and the shadow. It encourages compassion, acceptance, and a deeper understanding of your place in the universe. Section 9. Embracing your cosmic dance. A lifetime of self-discovery. Unlocking your cosmic blueprint is an ongoing journey. As you evolve and grow, your understanding of your natal chart will deepen. Remember, astrology is a tool for empowerment, not limitation. You are the author of your own story. Your natal chart simply provides a cosmic map to guide you along the way. Embrace the journey of self-discovery, explore the wisdom of your cosmic design, and dance to the rhythm of your own unique cosmic song.